Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lisa. Today I am going to attempt to make clusters for really the first time. So I have a bunch of paper, have scraps of paper, this is tracing paper that I have stamped on. This is part of a paper bag, some music paper, and the rest are digitals from the Rach Bella Summer Digital Collection that I took the liberty of painting over, either painting or doing coffee staining. And this is just scraps from projects that I did from her collection. And this is just a piece of tracing paper with watercolor paint splashes on it. So I'm going to go ahead and start ripping. I don't want to make this complicated. And I don't even want this to be a long video because I know your time is precious, my time is precious. So I thought I would begin by simply just ripping paper. Just feeling the ripped paper in my hands, kind of deciding what size I want to make the clusters. And I kind of want to see if I could mass make 4 at a time. We'll see. So maybe I'll use these as my base. Here's 4 as the base. And then I'm going to go ahead and just start ripping and layering onto these 4 clusters. I might or might not sew. We'll see. Oh, I also wanted to show you that I did cut out a lot of the digitals, ephemera pieces from the Rach Bella Crafts collection. Plus I took some of my stamps that I have in my own collection, a couple of fabric pieces right here, and I'm going to try to incorporate those into the digitals. So the good thing about clusters is you don't really need to glue a lot. If you don't want to, you could actually staple the final project in the middle, and then you could do some decorative sewing to hold everything in place. So here I am just going to, ooh, it came in the back side too. This was just empty coffee, some black coffee I had left in the pot. I put it in a cup and literally just took a round object and made some stamping marks. That's it. I used the bottom of a little paint jar, and that's how I got the circles. Nothing special was used. This is also from the digital kit, and I went ahead and used my watercolors and just made some pretty accents. And we'll see if we can capture some of these in the clusters as well. I mean, that's the whole point of doing this, right? So let's go ahead. I might just work and put some music on in the background and speed up any areas that need speeding up. But you will definitely get the gist of what I'm doing. I mean, essentially clusters, if you think about it, is just collaging pieces together. That's a cluster. That's pretty. You can do clusters and cut things out and do it very exactly. Like I can do a cluster of cutting things out very specifically and intentionally and doing a cluster. And I'm going to save that for another video. This video is just going to be ripping, pasting, and possibly sewing. So I'm going to go ahead and get to work. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comments box below. And I thank you for your support of my channel. It's so greatly appreciated. And I'll show you the finished project at the end of the video. So I thought I would stop the video for a second and show you the two that I made. This is the first one I made. I like it a lot. I think the colors go well, and I like the big stamp accent on top of the digitals. And yeah, I'm pretty happy with this one. This one I am not really happy with. I think too much is going on. Way too much is going on. Probably less is more, but I'm going to keep going. I'm going to keep going and make a couple more, and we'll see how. We'll see if I could stick with the less is more theme. I don't know. I don't know if I can, but I'll try. Alrighty, I made 3 more clusters and I'm pretty happy with them. I did one with red tones and the focal point of the butterfly. Then one with green tones with the focal point being the dragonfly. I also incorporated fabric on this one. And the last one I did probably has a lot too much like going on, but I enjoyed the collage process. And yeah, so this is my first attempt, and I hope to do another video soon where I'm a little bit more intentional with the focal points. So for a first try, I think this is okay. This is really just collage, but I'm going to try to do some more with less elements and better focal points. So I hope you enjoyed the video, guys, and thanks for joining me today, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.